I'm going to show the large gallery view and the new Together mode inside of Microsoft Teams. Let's get started. We'll join a meeting. I'm going to click Join Now. Just like in a physical classroom, students and educators will see up to 49 attendees in a 7x7 class meeting view. Hey everybody!
Hey,
Great to see you! Oh, this is such a beautiful view. So I'm going to show how we get into this large gallery view. So if I drop the ... look at that, I've checked on large gallery. You can see 49 glorious Technicolor videos all at once. Now the other thing that is brand new that we're going to be rolling out is something called Together mode. So I want to see all my friends here together in one nice screen. I'm going to check this Together mode and watch this. Look at this! Everyone is in a nice together environment. They're all waving. We can high five. We can hug. It was great to see all my colleagues in one place.